Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate expense reports with Concur and American Express, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Concur account. Navigate to the expenses section of the dashboard. Click on Create New Expense Report. Select the relevant trip or date range for your expenses. Add any necessary details for the report, such as the report name. Next, click on Add Expenses to start inputting your transactions. Link your American Express account by selecting Connect Cards. Follow the prompts to sign in to your American Express account securely. Once connected, your recent transactions will automatically sync. Review the list of imported transactions for accuracy. Select the transactions you want to include in your expense report. Ensure you categorize each expense correctly, such as travel, meals, or lodging. Attach digital receipts if required, either by uploading or using the mobile app. Add comments or notes for any expenses that need additional context. Once all expenses are added and reviewed, click on Submit for approval. Confirm the details in the summary page before final submission. Monitor the status of your expense report in the dashboard. Check for any feedback from approvers and make adjustments as needed. Once approved, download or export your report for your records. Review your payment summary from American Express for a complete overview. Regularly revisit this process for future expense management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.